Hello and welcome everyone to the Little Crafter Show. My name is Eileen, aka Eileen the Little Crafter. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some news. I don't know if you guys follow me on Instagram, and I will post everything down below. But I recently posted about my feelings towards the Aaron Condren fiasco. And I know that I probably will get a lot of flack for this, but because of my personal beliefs, which I stated before, and I'll state it again, we really did the quarantine thing. We really buckled down and we had to stay indoors. And if you guys don't know, I am a New Yorker. I was born and raised here, lived in Cali for a little bit. So just a little heads up on me. And we really buckled down except for two exceptions. Going to the store, the corner store, and my husband going to work only 3 days a week, and everyone had to, once the masks were implemented or whatever we required, we definitely wore them. We missed tons of graduation. We missed opportunities, to hang out with the family, things that we would normally do. During the time my son was homeschooled, it was very traumatic for all of us. So I was very upset about what she had done, and I basically decided that I am no longer going to use my Aaron Condren for my social media accounts at all. This means YouTube, any type of photos, anything. I will not unfollow anybody who is using an Aaron Condren, because I know that everybody has their beliefs, and I think that the shops that they put in these planners are amazing, and I love to get to know new shops, so that is another reason why I will not be doing that. Also the other part is just that I know that we already spent our money. That's another reason why I wanted kind of to throw mine away, but because I spent a lot of money on that thing, I'm using it like on the side or whatever the case may be. But I did want to get another planner, and I decided on getting the, what is this? The Recollections planner. So that is that. My second announcement is that I am no longer part of the Sparrow Design Paper Co. design team, PR team. So Eileen 20 will no longer be available. But I just want to thank Sparrow for allowing me to be a part of the team. And so I left for personal reasons, and that is that. All right, moving on, I want to share with you, I love this cover. It sparkles so much. It's a beautiful thing. Like, look at this hollow, and I got shakies. Like, how cool is that? I didn't even take off this. The vertical planner. So here it is, the 18th month spiral recollections dated planner from July 2020 to December 21. The weekly layout. And here this is what it contains. It contains 252 pages. Ooh, a lot of stickers. 427, one pocket and one zipper. One pocket folder, one zipper pouch. Includes monthly, weekly pages and dividers. That is so cool. Alright, so I shared this cover with the Instagram. So, and here is, let me show you the back. Show you the back. How cute is that? Love it. Here is the inside. Here is the other one. All right. Here is the pocket. Here is, always be kind. I love that. Oh, the calendar, 2020 all the way to December. You get stickers in the front. Loving these. Oh, wow. I like, emojis. I love emojis. And recycling. Doctor stickers, hair appointments if you want, or when you're doing deep conditioning, haircuts. You can do that for other things, cleaning, laundry, travel, dinner, a lot of good things. And here's the pocket. It's double-sided and it opens up like that, but you don't really use that. You kind of just, I mean, you could if you wanted to. I mean, nobody said you didn't. You couldn't stick something in there. So I'll share with you the July monthly. So it's 2 spreads. All right, so Independence has some stuff on the bottom. All right, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm gonna do the 13th through the 19th apparently. And I wanted to do this because I've seen people use full kits, but I actually have a Planner Envy, and I believe this one is from the box, the older box or the newer box. I can't remember, from last month. I ordered one and I wanted to try it out. And I'm seeing already that this can actually work out. Is this the one I wanted to use? Where was the other? Because I'm like not seeing what I'm supposed to be seeing. I only see 3 sheets here, and I know it's supposed to be more. Where are we? Okay. Where are we? Not kosher. Okay. Let me see what's going on here. Is it over here? No, that's something else. That's another kit. Oh man, don't tell me I lost a page. Don't tell me I lost a page. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so I found the last kit page. It was like right in front of me. I'm gonna have to say that this planner is a little light, but I kind of like it, but I don't, because it can't really see the lines. You really have to like have, for me personally, have a bright light on. And also I kind of feel like maybe this was because it was my first time. I also messed up and put the bottom washi on the wrong side, but I did this with another planner as well, so breaking it in. That is what it is, right? I don't know, my brain was not working today. I just literally was excited about making this video because I didn't have anything planned for Monday, and it just kind of popped in my lap. I'm sorry for the long rant in the beginning of this video, but I had a lot of things to say and a lot of information. Alright, my sidebar is just going to consist of a little deco, a habit tracker, a weekly checklist, and like super checklist, and then also just some things that we have to do during the week. So that is that. I am going to go continue on with the headers because I don't like the color pink at all. That's just me, and I know that this kit contains pink, but couldn't help it. The other thing is, it's just that I honestly can tell you without 100% fail that this kit, well, not fail, with 100% certainties, if you do have a Planner Envy subscription and don't want to use that other planner anymore, you may want to definitely invest in a Recollections planner, and the kit will fit perfectly. It does not fit perfectly well. If you have not seen any of my other videos, it does not fit perfectly well in a happy planner due to the fact that the bottom washi is a little, well, actually the bottom washi is bigger for certain planners, and you would definitely have to cut it down. But all of the other rest of the kits, like the headers and the checklists and stuff like that, fit perfectly well. Even the deco boxes, in my opinion, fit perfectly well. So after I put on the headers, I put on the weekend banner. I'm adding some more deco for the weekend because I don't do much on the weekend, and I kind of keep it easy breezy during the weekend. The only thing I try to make sure that I get done is my 2 videos, which are Monday and Wednesday are my upload days. The other thing that I have to say about this kit that I don't like, even though
showcasing this particular planner is that it doesn't have, in my opinion, enough checklists. And also it doesn't have any box checklists. Excuse me. That's the only other thing. I really like those types of items in my planning, because I really don't use half and quarter boxes as much. I kind of use them more for labels, and along to use with my icons. So I kind of have to rely on the three box the three checklists and the half and quarter boxes in my spread, which I normally don't do. I just feel like it's not cohesive with my particular way of planning, but I make it work. And yeah, so I kind of just do that. I also made a mistake. I put a meeting sticker where the meeting sticker was supposed to be on a Monday, not a Tuesday. So yeah, so sorry about flipping back and forth. I want to make sure that I have enough checklists because, my goodness, for just a young man, this boy has a lot going on for him this summer. We're doing a new format of summer schooling, and I kind of like it, and I kind of don't. I wish they would give you an hour, in between like classes and meetings, but that's not the case. They only give you a half an hour, even only a half an hour for lunch. Alright, so now I'm adding the half and quarter boxes and 3 checklists. And that is the end of this video, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and bye for now.